Okay, YouTube, here is my attempt at making a solar pool heater. I have 4x4 boxes. They are covered with Lexan polycarbonate and a sealing tape around the edges. There's about 250 feet of 1/2 inch polyethylene irrigation pipe, and there is a layer of corrugated metal painted black under the pipe as well. So I've tried to collect all the ideas from everyone on YouTube. Thanks to everyone who's contributed. They are connected in parallel, not in series, to get as much heat as possible out of them. The line comes in through the top, T's split off for each one, and then T's collect the water for each one back into the pool. They're just sitting on the roof, no tilt to the south, and they're just sitting there supported by those skylights. It's around 12:30, mid-April, in the San Francisco area. It's about 70 degrees outside. Let me show you my setup. It's a pretty big pool, so I got to cover it too. Pretty chilly. So what I did is I split off with a T right off my main pipe. There's no need to cut the pipe or anything, just drill a hole through it and then cut a T in half, glue it in place, some clamps just in case, but so 1 horse pump, plenty of power to do this. And then it splits off, put a valve segment in here, and then it goes into the 1/2 inch pipe. I'll have it held up like that, just so it doesn't kink right there at the exit. And then it goes out to the roof, which is pretty much at the same level as the pump. So again, it's around 12:30, mid-April, 70-degree day. Should be as good as it gets. It's been running for a couple hours, so this should be the real deal. The pool here by the skimmer where the water comes in is at 68.5, and let's see what it looks like on the return. Here's the return line. Pretty good flow. I haven't calculated the flow. I may just do a estimate based on how long it takes to fill a jug of milk one of these days. But anyway, let's put the probe in here. And looks like it's coming out at about 6.5 degrees or so hotter than it came in. So again, I'm encouraged. We'll see what it does for the pool over the summer. Hopefully it'll build up. Again, thanks to everyone that's contributed. I've tried to collect all the tidbits from everyone, and I'll keep you updated, but it looks encouraging. Thank you.